Welcome to Get Your Play Online. My name is Sarah Rose, and tonight we are going to be reading a bedtime story that's all about perspective. I know that's a big word. So, perspective is just another way of saying how your view of things, how things look to you. So, a good example is look at my hand. Right now, does my hand look big or small or somewhere in the middle? Maybe. So now what does my hand look like? My hand looks bigger than my face. Ah! So to you, my hand looks really big. But to me, my perspective is that my hand is really far away. So it looks smaller. Now, what if we switch it? So now what if my hand is really close to my face? I think my hand looks really big to me because it's right there. But to you, does it look bigger or smaller than before? It looks smaller. So depending on who we are, how far away something is, how big something is, or how much bigger something is than us, it changes our perspective or how we look at something and how something looks to us. So, my friends, our story, They All Saw a Cat, is about different perspectives and how a cat could look depending on who is looking at the cat. So, like always, I invite you to get as comfy and cozy as possible. So, tonight, comfy and cozy for me looks like a really warm sweater since it's kind of chilly where I am. It looks like a warm cup of tea or something really warm that I feel cozy drinking. But what is comfy and cozy for me may look different than what is comfy and cozy for you. So, my friends, go ahead and get situated. We're going to be doing something a little different with our story and how we're going to be reading it tonight. We're going to be showing it on a big screen. Whoa! There we go. You may be able to see it a little bit better now. All right, my friends. So, without further ado, here is They All Saw a Cat by Brendan Wenzel. And I'll be pointing along with the words because I know they're kind of hard to see. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. There we go. How does the cat look right here? What color is its collar? Can you tell? Red, very good. And the child saw a cat. So this is what the cat looks like to the child. You see how the child is a lot taller than the cat? And the dog saw a cat. Ooh, how does the cat look to the dog? Kind of scary looking. Its bell is so big. Oh, and look, it looks like the fox saw the cat. The fox saw the cat? Yes, they all saw the cat. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. And the fish saw a cat? Oh, look, there's the fish. Look at how the cat looks to the fish. It looks really big and kind of blurry. Oh, let's see. Who do you think sees the cat in this picture? Can you see what our little friend right here is? What animal? That's right, a mouse. The mouse saw the cat. Oh, the cat looks so scary to the mouse. And the bee saw a cat. Oh, look at how the cat looks to the bee. To the bee, the cat is made up of little tiny polka dots. Because bees have different eyes than humans. Yes, they all saw the cat. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. And the bird saw a cat. Let's see. Oh, there's the bird. Look at the cat. Remember my hand? How when it was really far away, it looked really small? The cat is really far away to the bird, so the cat looks really itty bitty. And the flea saw a cat. Can you find the flea on the cat? That's right, it's this little tiny dot. So because the flea is so tiny, the cat looks really, really big. Ooh, let's see. Who do you think sees the cat in this picture? The snake? Maybe. Look at what color the cat is to the snake. It has red eyes. And what color is its body? Yellow and orange? Very good. The snake saw the cat. Oh, and the skunk saw a cat. Look at how the skunk looks at the cat. The snake that was thought the cat was so colorful. But for the skunk, it kind of looks a little gray. What do you think? Oh, let's see. What do you think sees the cat in this picture? It's a little worm. And the worm saw a cat. So the way the worm saw the cat was a little different. So when cats walk on the ground or when people walk on the ground shakes just a little. And creatures that live under the ground, they can hear and make a picture with the sound or with the vibrations. That's what those squiggly lines are. And the bat saw a cat. So bats see things in the dark. So it's kind of like worms, what you saw in the last picture. Bats have a special power that's called, I think it's called echolocation. But they can make a sound, and when they hear that sound, they can make a picture of what animal or what is around them. Yes, they all saw the cat. Yes, they all saw a cat. Look, here is a picture of all the ways that our characters in our story saw the cat. Very good. A child and a dog and a fox and a fish and a mouse and a bee and a bird and a flea and a snake and a skunk and a worm and a bat. The cat knew them all. and they all knew the cat. And the cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. Then it came to the water, and imagine what it saw. So, my friends, the cat saw the cat. The end. Let's turn on the light. There we go. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the story as much as I did. So, as you saw, depending on who was looking at the cat looked a little different, right? For the bee, the cat looked like a bunch of little polka dots. For the snake, the cat looked yellow and had bright red eyes. For the child, the cat was kind of small and was snuggly, and we were able to pet the cat. How do you think the cat saw himself? Very good. Good guess. So, my friends, the way we look at things and who is looking at something, it can change the perspective. It may not look the same as what someone else thinks it looks like. But all of those different perspectives and different ways of looking at things are all beautiful. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me for tonight's bedtime story. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. So, my friends, until next time, take care, have a good night, and sweet dreams.